Today I'm going to show you how to build sign-up forms in Mailchimp. Building a sign-up form in Mailchimp is awesome, quick and easy. So let's go to the left-hand side on our sidebar, click on Forms, and here you are going to click on Create Pop-up Form. Now, this over here will give you the opportunity to view a bunch of templates, okay? So basically, what they're trying to explain here is pop-ups with incentives actually convert way better than without. And of course, if you're going to click on something to receive something, then you will want to do that. Okay, so we can click on View All Templates here. So once you click on View All Templates, you'll see all of the different templates that are available. So what you can do here, literally go and choose something that really speaks to you. Maybe it matches your brand colors, maybe it matches your style, maybe it just stands out for you specifically. Okay, go ahead, click on whichever one you'd like to click on, and then you'll see on the left hand side there's a name. Change that name if you would like to, and then select the contact data you want to collect. So let's say email address. This will only be available for some templates, and then you're going to go ahead and click on Create Form. Now, Mailchimp will make it really easy for you to build this form the way that you want it. You can see over here, this main part is what your form actually looks like. Now, if you're going in and clicking on any section, you'll see it will zoom in, and now you can actually see what is going on here. Now, the nice thing is every element that you click on the left, there is like a map so that you can see what everything is, what it looks like. Now, when you click on anything, let's say perhaps this text, on the right hand side, you can see that it is a logo. You can see that it is an image. And if you go down here, you can change everything about it. Absolutely everything. Right? From the rotation, visibility, animation, the background blur. There is so much over here. Okay? You can even change what it looks like normally and when you hover over it. Every single one of these elements is editable. Here you can see we've got this. You've got 10% off. Double click it, you'll be able to type out what you need to type out. Okay, let's make it 50%. But on the right hand side again, you can edit every single thing about this element. Now, what's nice is if you want to add stuff in, okay, let's just move over here, and we've got again this section over here. And we've got our second page, and then we've got stage 3, our confirmation, our third page. Now, let's say if you want to add something in here, let's go ahead and click on the space over here. So just double click. On the left hand side, you will see add an element. Go ahead, click on add an element. And here you can literally see all of the elements that are available here. All right, so let's just go into the space just underneath here. Let us add a button. So what we need to do is click down and drag it over, and let's lay it in over there. Now, if it's able to fit into that space, it will pop up. And if you just give it a second, you'll see it right over there. Now, what you can do after you've added that element is you will now be able to actually edit that element as well as you were able to do everything else over here. Now, this is a map of everything that you can do within this sign up form. And basically, once you are done, what you need to do is just make sure that all of your issues have been fixed. So there's missing discount codes. This is the actual code that you will need to add in here. And once you're done, you're going to say save and preview. Now, your save and preview will allow you to actually see what it looks like when the customer receives the sign up form. So give it a second to load. On the right hand side, you can see the preview. On the left hand side, you can see all the details. So here, if you want to go ahead and see all these details, so where should it show? You can edit those settings. Who should see it? Edit the target audience there. When should it show? Edit those triggers. And then what should it look like? And here you need to go and click on edit content, and you'll be able to edit this again. So this is essentially what's going to happen. So go ahead and you can actually interact with it. So once you click on claim your 10% off, you'll now see in your next page, you'll be able to view what will happen over into the next step. Now, to make this live, we're going to go and click on publish or schedule. And this will allow you to either make it public or schedule it to be public for a future date.